वो ऑर्डर अब
आज
तक
नहीं आया
and that time we were like कि क्यों, we were like regretting at the very next moment.
पैसा तो आ जाएगा एटलीस्ट
Yeah.
कि नहीं चाहिए हम भाई हम लोग को तुम लोग का तो कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए तो हम लोग को पैसा दे।
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome
Or welcome back to our channel
Unicorn Diaries. I am Anju.
and I'm Granthali. So guys, in today's video we'll be reviewing an Instagram store called FastChick. I think most of us would have would have heard this
Or
Instagram
have
store's
must
name.
seen that ad on our Instagram page.
Yes. So today we are going to talk about it. And also guys, if you like what you see so far, so please do hit that subscribe button.
And also if you want to know more about this page and our opinion or review on this, so keep on watching.
yes.
And without any
Further
further
ado,
let's
get started. Okay, so first we of course we started following this page I think a way longer.
Yeah. And also if you have seen this page, you would have observed ki their prices are low and not
Yeah.
low, actually affordable.
Yeah,
And
very affordable.
and the tops we see on that page is like कि इतना सस्ता
And also it's so cute.
If you relate, मतलब Shein and this Instagram store has mostly the same clothes. We were also a little curious कि
Yeah.
हम लोग को भी try करना था.
Obviously अभी वो जो इतना affordable है,
हाँ.
so let's try. And also the starting prices of the tops are like
100,
49
Yeah.
49
I
are the
didn't know
starting
this.
price. And also disclaimer, we don't have any hard feelings or we are not to bash any store here or Instagram. We are just sharing our experience.
Actually, first thing first कि before this Instagram page, we actually I guess 1 year ago.
Yeah, 1 year ago.
1 year ago, we saw a page like this only. We don't remember the name actually. We will find this while editing. We will insert some clips there.
Yeah.
So हम लोग ने तभी भी tops देखे थे and the tops were so cute
and there were hoodies.
Yeah,
There were
in
hoodies.
just rupees 100. Okay.
Yeah.
So we thought कि चल we'll try. Actually that time also we were cautious because they didn't had cash on delivery. We had to pay online only.
Yeah.
So we three, Samida, me and her, we ordered one top each for.
Yeah, we were just like कि चल पहले थोड़ा तो एक टॉप ऑर्डर करके देख लेते हैं,
we'll see the quality and all.
Yeah.
And then we will order more tops.
Yeah.
But
वो ऑर्डर अब
आज
तक
नहीं आया. What happened is 1-2 महीने बाद भी we were texting that Instagram page and telling कि नहीं हम लोग को चाहिए ये टॉप, नहीं तो हम लोग पुलिस कंप्लेन कर देंगे and all. And that account blocked us.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah. After her messaging them, then I started messaging them. They even blocked me, and I think we three are blocked from their page, and it was like all of a sudden we thought let's just order a top. It was a lavender. We'll insert the pic that how it looks in the Instagram page. A lavender sweatshirt. It was right.
It retailed for rupees 150 na? 149 to be precise.
Yeah, 149, and also they had shipping charges.
Yeah.
40-50 rupees.
Yeah.
So all that came to
350.
Yeah, in the total of 350. We didn't even get any email from them that
any confirmation. Actually what happened is you ordered
Yeah.
it from your phone. That time what happened is कि order क्या बोलते हैं, order was confirmed, मतलब order was confirmed and you paid the price. That
Yeah.
happened. And then after that when you opened that page, it showed कि you don't have any orders.
And I had already paid.
Yeah.
Also there is no COD in that as well.
Yes.
So we have to order. We have to pay online only. So I paid it, and then afterwards we went to check कि कब तक आएगा order, and there was like you have no username. You don't have any account,
Yeah.
and there is no orders as such. And that time we were like कि क्यों? And we were like regretting at the very next moment. But also I had just got the message that I paid the money.
Yeah.
That
Actually what happened is कि अच्छा हुआ इसे screenshot निकाल के रख दिया कि this amount is debited.
Yeah, and I have the screenshot. I'll show you that. And then we started messaging them.
बट वी वेटेड फॉर आई गेस 2 to 3 days कि ठीक है कुछ तो मैसेज आ
Reply
जाएगा
आ
कि
जाएगा।
डिस्पैच हो गया है, शिप
Yeah.
हो गया है, बट
No, there was no such reply. And then there we searched a lot there, and then we got their WhatsApp number, and then we started messaging on their WhatsApp, but there was no response on that too. And this was like we were not messaging abhi kiya to aur ek घंटे के बाद, no, we were like messaging them one day, then after 2 days, and it was like for a whole week we were messaging them, but there was no response. And then there was an email they had shared in detail that I'll put a picture here.
she also mailed and I also mailed, but I didn't get any reply from them, but she told me कि हाँ मेरे को reply आया है, तो आई वॉज सेटिस्फाइड कि अच्छा ठीक है, इन लोग ने ऑर्डर नंबर कुछ देख के किया रहेगा कि हाँ ठीक है, एक जन को बता ही दिया है ना. एंड उसमें बोला था कि जैन के 2nd वीक तक यू विल रिसीव योर ऑर्डर, बट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी डिडंट रिसीव. एक्चुअली जैन में वो आया ही
नहीं. Yeah. And फिर after that also then I mailed them again after 2-3 times, and there was no response again. Then again it was like कि नहीं आएगा शायद से. We took a wrong decision there. And also to put it out here कि also my friend had ordered it and she had ordered
Around
1,000 rupees. Yeah. And I was like कि and उसको अभी तक reply नहीं आया. Like we ordered it on Jan 3, I remember that date, and after 4 to 5 days she had ordered, but still उसने भी इतने messages किए, mails किए, she has no reply.
Okay, so what happened is कि नहीं आया ऑर्डर, so we thought of कि चल कैंसिल करके देखते हैं कि कैंसिल हुआ तो एटलीस्ट पैसा तो आ जाएगा एटलीस्ट. कि नहीं चाहिए भाई हम लोग को तुम लोग का कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, हम लोग को पैसा दिया. उन लोग ने स्टोरी पे डाला है, एक्चुअली हाईलाइट्स में उन लोग ने ऐड करके रखा है कि इफ यू वांट टू कैंसिल दैट ऑर्डर यू विल नहीं 50% of your amount that you have paid will be deducted. मतलब you will receive only 50% of your money back.
मतलब ये कुछ अलग ही है. Like the Amazon and Flipkart are on that level, and they still after 7 to 14 days also they refund you the whole amount. Okay, so that is done. And after
and हम लोग ने कुछ मतलब पूरा hope से छोड़ दिया था कि
and also after for like 1 or 2 weeks we stopped talking about it, and almost we forgot. Like, and also it went out of our head also कि हम लोगों ने कुछ order किया है, but I don't know what happened. Yeah, from where. मेरे को SMS आता है, हाँ, tracking ID मेरे को आया, and also with the link. So in this month only, in the first week of February, I got the link of it, and then I told her कि मेरे को ऐसे link है. That time also she was like कि नहीं आएगा, मेरे को तो लगता, तो I was also ठीक है, जब आएगा then only we'll think about it, जो कुछ है. But फिर वो आया नहीं, फिर वो I kept checking through it obviously, क्योंकि पैसा तो भरा है. It's not about कि 150 rupees or 1000 rupees she has paid. It's about कि आगे से वो ट्रस्ट और ऐसा वो है, और इतना बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इट्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एंड दे हैव लाइक बहुत फॉलोअर्स हैं उनके. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द एग्जैक्ट नंबर. how the for what you are waiting here and for what you are watching this video. Yes, we got our parcel, guys. And this is, I don't know, it's in lavender color. I'm only happy about the color. Okay, and what else we would expect in 150 bucks as such, but ठीक है.
बट तुम लोग ने एक्चुअली जो पिक दिखाया है थोड़ा बहुत तो कुछ तो कर लो.
एक्चुअली वो तो बहुत थिक मटेरियल लग रहा था, एंड इट्स लाइक अ सी थ्रू मटेरियल आल्सो.
एक्चुअली आई थिंक कि कैमरा में इट वुड लुक गुड, लुक क्या बोलते हैं
कि ठीक है, अच्छा तो है.
एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, मतलब एक कपड़ा जब मर जाता है और वो जब गिर जाता है ना, इट लुक्स लाइक दिस.
And also she ordered it in M and I ordered it in S because it was a sweatshirt, so we wanted it to look a little big on us. There was no tag like कि कौन सा मीडियम है एंड कौन सा, एंड मेरे को तो ऐसा ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही लग रहा है हम दोनों का. तो we took this, and also we would insert a pic with this कि how it looks.
इसलिए अच्छा हुआ कि जो कलर उन लोग ने दिखाया एटलीस्ट वो कलर तो आया. We wanted it in lavender color and it is lavender.
बस, और वही अच्छा है. एंड ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चन कम्स, वुड वी अगेन बाय फ्रॉम दैट वेबसाइट अ बिग? नो.
एक्चुअली आई वुड कोई सोचूंगी भी नहीं कि मैं इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर से कुछ अभी लूँ आगे जाके. बिफोर ऑर्डरिंग दिस वी वर लाइक दिस कि आर यू श्योर वी वांट टू डू दिस अगेन, बिकॉज पहले ही ये सब हो चुका है हम लोग के साथ, बट देन टू वी वांटेड टू.
So I don't know, it's fake. I think it's not fake, but
Yeah.
also
एक्चुअली their सर्विस इज नॉट गुड एज सच कि मतलब तुम लोग एटलीस्ट ऑर्डर कंफर्म हो गया है तो एटलीस्ट एक मैसेज कर दो.
Message कर
शिप
दो.
हो गया है अगर ठीक है, लेट भी हो रहा है तो लेट अस नो कि कुछ हाँ आ जाएगा बट लेट आएगा. We don't have any hard feelings for this Instagram
Yeah,
store.
yeah.
We just wanted to review our opinion and we wanted to make an informative video कि Instagram store से buy करते time सोच समझ के shop करना.
yeah, we are not telling you don't buy
Yeah.
or don't just buy anything from that store. No, we are not saying that. Many of you would have got their order on
Yeah.
time also. बट ऑल्सो कि उधर बहुत ऐसे लिखा है कि 7 to 8 days में शिप होता है, तो इट शुड बी डिलीवर्ड टू अस एटलीस्ट इन 15 days.
Yeah, we would like to say कि if you want to order, if you want to take a risk, order मतलब कोई छोटे अमाउंट का ऑर्डर करके देख लो. इफ यू लाइक द क्वालिटी एंड द सर्विस ऑफ दैट इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर यू कैन बाय इट, बट एज हर फ्रेंड डोंट डू लाइक दैट.
She had ordered it first time only, and she ordered it like for 1,000 rupees. So guys, this was it for this video,
We hope you liked it.
and find it helpful. So if you do like,
Share
and subscribe to our channel
Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also guys, do check out our Instagram, and also the video links is in the description box below. Do check out. Also we post videos every
Wednesday.
and Saturday. Until then,
Stay humble.
work hard and be kind.
Bye guys.
I am Anju and I'm Granthali. So guys, in today's video, we'll be reviewing. मेरे को पता था ये होएगा.
Every time we upload a new